we talk about how can you disable someone followed you on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above with your profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. So then it's going to take you, when you click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification categories here, then come to this list. So then you come here to someone follow me here. Then you click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that means someone followed me, notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.